Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stokes County, northwestern Rockingham County, Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, western Pittsylvania County, the city of Martinsville, southwestern Bedford County, Henry County, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, Franklin County, until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stewart, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Rocky Mount, Stewart, Floyd, Boone's Mill, Danbury, and Copper Hill. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Thomasville, Kernersville, Archdale, Summerfield, Trinity, Stokesdale, Pleasant Garden, and Jamestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, Guilford, and Randolph. Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Rockingham County, southeastern Roanoke County, western Campbell County, Pittsylvania County, northwestern Halifax County, the city of Martinsville, Bedford County, Henry County, Franklin County, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Boone's Mill to near Ridgeway, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Bedford, Rocky Mount, Alta Vista, Hurt, Chatham, and Gretna. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway, the National D-Day Memorial, and Martinsville Airport.
Well, I'm under this one, so that's a lovely way to start the morning.
County, eastern Randolph County, eastern Guilford County, western Chatham County, until 10:15 a.m. At 9:28 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monroe to Randleman to near Biscoe, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Randleman, Siler City, North Carolina Zoo, Mebane, Seagrove, and Elon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Guilford, Orange, and Randolph. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 159, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Halifax, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lemons County in central North Carolina, Person County in central North Carolina, Orange County in central North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina, until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near High Towers to near 11 to 7 miles northeast of Siler City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. There have been reports from spotters of penny-sized hail and tree damage from the line. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durham, Chapel Hill, Graham, Roxborough, Hillsborough, Carrboro, Mebane, Rougemont, Concord, and Haw River. County, Eastern Lunenburg County, Nottoway County, Northwestern Dinwiddie County, Northwestern Brunswick County, until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near South Hill, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cambridge and Dundas around 11:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fort Pekin around 12:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Blackstone, Nottoway, Spadeville, and Wilson's around 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gary, Bacon's Fork, North Wellville, Irby, Gill's Corner, Barrows Store, Murdoch's, Forkland, The Falls, and Forksville.